Hello, my students. I am Ms. Rania Abdo from Gihad Private School. Prime 5. Let's start our revision. The Earth systems. Number 1. Geosphere. Geosphere is the system that contains all the layers of Earth. Geo means Earth. The system contains rocks, soil, or minerals. Landforms like mountains, hills, valleys, molten rocks inside the earth. Number 2. Atmosphere means air. Is the system that includes all the gases that surrounded the earth. Atmos means vapor. It's a mixture of a lot of gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, or nitrogen. Biosphere, the system that includes all living organisms on the earth, like animals, plants, humans. Bio means life. Biome. Biome is a large area of the world that has similar soil, climate, plants, and animals. Examples like desert, forests, rainforests, grasslands, wetlands. Hydrosphere, the system that includes all water on, above, and under the earth. Salt water equal 96.5% and fresh water 3.5%. Hydro means water, large sheets of ice or snow. There are many sources of water, like oceans, sea, river, groundwater, glaciers. It contains all water in the earth, liquid or solid or gas. About 3/4, 71% of the earth is covered by water. This water may be salt water. Salt water 96.5% of water on the earth, found in ocean, sea, gulfs, and some lakes. Number 2. Fresh water. Fresh water about 3.5% of the water on the earth, found in rivers, rainwater, groundwater, streams, and most lakes. Uses of water: bathing, cleaning, traveling, preparing food, agriculture, generating electricity like Aswan High Dam. Water bodies: ocean and seas. Ocean and sea are very large water body and always contain salt water. Oceans surround the continents. All oceans are connected to each other. The ocean's floor has mountains and plains. Lakes. Lakes are water bodies surrounded by land. Usually contain fresh water and sometimes contain salt water. Are found when water collected in the low-lying area. Rivers. Rivers always contain the fresh water. Location in the mountains. Flow from an area of high place to an area of lower place in a definite path. Groundwater. The water that lies under the earth's surface and contains fresh water. Water cycle. Water is a renewable resource because it has what is called the water cycles. On high temperatures, the water in water bodies evaporates, means water vapor, then condenses in a form of clouds. Finally, when the temperatures goes down more, the water vapor turns into water in the form of rain. Earth system interactions. Number 1, hydrosphere with geosphere, like erosion and weathering of rocks and formation lake. Number 2, hydrosphere with biosphere, like animals or plants in water bodies, ocean, sea, river, ponds, lake or streams. Humans and animals drinking water. Number 3, biosphere with atmosphere, like plants take in carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen gas. Number 4, biosphere with geosphere. Worms, microorganisms living in soil, or rabbits digging a burrow in a soil. Roots of any plant in the soil absorb nutrients from the soil. Types of aquatic ecosystems. Saltwater. Saltwater has shallow area. Shallow areas. These areas contains coral reef and intertidal zones. The intertidal zones mean the area along the coast that disappears underwater at high tide and appears at low tide. Number 2, deepest area. Deepest area called abyssal zones, and sunlight can't reach them. Saltwater lakes. Number 1, Lake Assal in Djibouti has a high concentration of natural salt, so most aquatic animals can't live in it, but there are some plants and different types of bacteria that live in this lake. Number 2, Lake Bardawil in Egypt. Other water bodies. Number 1, ocean and sea. Water movement. Salt water, ocean and sea. It constantly moving in the form of wave. Species that live in ocean. Kelp, dolphins, starfish, moose fish, and cold flounder fish. Newts. Ocean and sea environments include many smaller ecosystems. Freshwater. Ponds. The water movement, still water. Some plants like water lilies live in ponds, and like some animals like salamanders and frogs live in ponds. Flowing or running water. Number 1, river. Number 2, streams. Streams mean water is cool and flows fast. Types of water: running water. Catfish and salmon live in a stream. Choose the correct answer. By heating water, it changes from state to state, from liquid state to gas state. Number 2, at the beginning of water cycle, water goes into the air. Water evaporates and goes into the air, forming clouds. Number 3, water is used in all the following purposes except burning. Number 4, which of the following is found between pores of rocks under the earth's surface? Groundwater. Right, true or false? Number 1, water can change into water vapor in extreme cold weather. False. Number 2, some animals and plants live in water. True. Number 3, fresh water forms about 10% of water on the earth. False. Number 4, living organisms are parts of the geosphere. False. Number 5, rivers and streams are freshwater moving bodies. True. Goodbye, my students.